Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing how to make an easy DIY wreath using an embroidery hoop. Embellishing an embroidery hoop is an easy and inexpensive way to create a beautiful modern wreath for just a few dollars. All you need is an embroidery hoop, floral wire, and a few sprigs of a leafy green or other embellishment. You'll also need a pair of side cutting pliers to trim the floral pieces and the wire. First, apply stain to the embroidery hoop with a foam brush, and then wipe away any excess with a cloth. Separate the layers of the hoop and stain the remaining edges. Because I'll be covering the embroidery hoop's hardware with my floral pieces, I don't mind if it gets stain on it, but if you plan to leave it exposed as an accent, you'll want to tape it off during this part of the project. Now cut pieces from the floral and layer them into a grouping. For this particular design, I'm cinching the ends of two pieces together to create one continuous accent. Place the arrangement on the embroidery hoop. Cut a piece of wire and wrap it around the sprig and hoop to secure the pieces in place. Twist another wire near the tip of the floral to help it follow the shape of the hoop. Now layer on an embellishment and hold it in place with a piece of wire. Depending on what you're using for your materials, you can also use a block of floral foam or even hot glue to secure your pieces. To create a fall look, layer colorful leaves and berries. Or create a winter feel by layering branches with pine cones and a festive bell. Hang your wreath and enjoy the look as an everyday style around your home, or for a splash of color in the fall, or a festive look in the winter. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more easy DIYs and woodworking projects, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.